Hello students, in this session we will discuss about the reactions of haloalkanes with metals. First, action of sodium metal. First, action of sodium metal. This reaction is known as Wurtz reaction, W-U-R-T-Z, Wurtz reaction. Okay, first I will give general equation or general reaction, because in the examination they may ask write general reaction for Wurtz reaction, general reaction for Wurtz reaction. Okay, alkyl halide, general formula of alkyl halide is RS. Alkyl halide reacts with sodium metal or metallic sodium in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, you are going to get higher alkane. This reaction is known as Wurtz reaction. This is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. This is also another molecule of alkyl halide. You are going to get higher alkane. Higher alkane. Okay. Alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal or metallic sodium in the presence of dry ether. You have to, don't forget to write dry ether. Okay. Alkyl halide reacts with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. Higher alkanes are formed, and this reaction is known as Wurtz reaction. This reaction is known as Wurtz reaction. Let us see one example. Example. Ethyl bromide reacts with C2H5Br. Ethyl bromide reacts with sodium metal. Ethyl bromide reacts with sodium metal Br, C2H5 in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, you are going to get higher alkane. You are going to get higher alkane. Here eliminate a molecule of sodium bromide. You are going to get C2H5 C2, or you can write C4H10. This is butane plus 2NaBr, and this is ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. This is another molecule of ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide reacts with metallic sodium in the presence of dry ether. Higher alkanes are formed. This reaction known as Wurtz reaction. Now we'll discuss action of magnesium metal on haloalkane, that is also known as Grignard reaction. Haloalkanes RX. Haloalkanes reacts with magnesium metal. Haloalkanes reacts with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, to form alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide called Grignard reagent. This is called Grignard reagent. This is called Grignard reagent. This is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. And this reaction is known as Grignard's reaction. This reaction is known as Grignard's reaction. Alkyl halides or haloalkanes reacts with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether to form alkyl magnesium halide called Grignard reagent. And this reaction is known as Grignard reaction. This reaction is known as Grignard reaction. Now this is general reaction. This is general reaction. This reaction is general reaction. If general reaction is asked, you have to write only this much. Next example. Example, ethyl bromide reacts with magnesium metal C2H5Br. Ethyl bromide reacts with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, we are going to get ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. This is also known as Grignard reagent. Generally, these are known as Grignard reagent. And this reaction known as Grignard's reaction. Grignard's reaction. Okay. Here, these Grignard reagents are highly reactive. These are highly reactive and they react with any source of proton to give hydrocarbons. Okay. If Grignard reagents are there, Grignard reagents, they are highly reactive and they react with any source of proton. React with any source of proton, any source of proton to give hydrocarbons, to give hydrocarbons. Even with water, alcohols, amines are sufficient acidic, they give protons and they are converted into hydrocarbons. This is very, very important. Okay, I will write that general reaction. Or yes, here what is that? You can use even water, alcohols, amines. They act as source of protons and they are sufficiently acidic, hence they act as source of protons. They convert this Grignard reagent into hydrocarbon. They convert Grignard reagent into hydrocarbon. Then general reaction are MgX, Grignard reagent, plus H2O. You are going to get RH. This is hydrocarbon. This is hydrocarbon plus MgX OH. MgX with S. This is very, very important reaction, as Grignard reagents are very reactive, highly reactive. They react with any source of proton to give hydrocarbons. Water, alcohol, amine, they are sufficiently acidic in nature. They act as source of protons. Hence, in the presence of water or alcohol or amines, Grignard reagents are converted into corresponding hydrocarbons. Now we'll discuss reduction of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes on reduction with by using reduction either by using nickel or platinum or palladium or lithium aluminum hydride at 250 degrees centigrade temperature gives corresponding alkanes. This reaction is called as reduction. Haloalkanes subjected to reduction are when treated with nickel or palladium or lithium aluminum hydride at 250 degrees centigrade, you are going to get corresponding alkane. This reaction known as reduction. Example, C2H5Br ethyl bromide is reduced using lithium aluminum hydride. You are going to get ethane, C2H6, ethane plus HBr. This reaction is known as reduction reaction. This reaction is known as reduction reaction.